What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Milady meme coin fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Gonna give you guys some updates on the project, dive into it like we always do. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. If you're new here, you already been around, please subscribe, share the video with your friends and family. I want to see the videos blow up, take over. As soon as people open YouTube, what's the first thing they see? They see Milady meme coin, guys, and this is how you spread awareness for the project. I do see my comment section, more and more people are tuning in, which is very interesting, man. So leave a comment. The women of Web3 as well. I see some women in my comment section taking notice of the project. So you never know what could happen going into the next bull cycle, guys. Again, my theory, my thought process still stands with Milady meme coin. I think because of what it represents, how big and popular the Milady NFTs are getting, like the floor price of those are at like $7,000, $8,000, right? I think it's like 4 to 5 ETH. Let's take a look at it just to show you guys. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor, right? But the Milady Maker NFTs right now are at 4.5 ETH, right? For one NFT, which is around, let's take a look at that, man. This is crazy stuff, man. Let's go to ETH, number 2 crypto in the space. How much is that? 4.496. It's around $7,500 for one of the NFTs right now, right? And that just keeps growing, man. Like, the popularity of this project just keeps getting bigger and bigger, right? And who knows, it just may get to the point where it gets as big as Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club. And I think that's going to be great for the Milady meme coin and its success, in my opinion, right? So if you take a look right here, Milady meme coin is sitting at $17.7 million in market cap, volume at 2.7 million. We're down a bit today, man. A lot of things are happening. Like BNB, for example, is making new lows. I'm like, what is going on in the markets, man? Is it one more shakeout? I already know, like, accumulation. We're in an accumulation period, but the ups and downs, the swings to the downside just keep happening consistently, man. It's like the bulls don't get any room to breathe, right? But we still just stay in this range, bouncing back and forth. And even though we're down a bit, we're still in that, close to that 20 mil market cap level, right? Just like before when we were back here at that, what market cap was this? Around that $16 million market cap level. But overall, if you zoom out, it's still just in this sideways accumulation. So we'll see what happens, man. I think, there's still the possibility of ladies eventually going into the bull cycle having a moment where it just has an explosion. Excuse me. But because of Bitcoin and the choppiness that Bitcoin is, doing in the markets, a lot of projects follow Bitcoin. Ladies is following Bitcoin as well. You can see, man, Bitcoin just had a huge breakdown from 30K to 26K, 25K. Ladies, however, did pop up a bit. Now it's cooling off again, right? And we're really just watching what Bitcoin does for the potential moves in ladies from here, guys. So as you can see, KuCoin, we got some nice volume and everything, but the volume is down overall. Even on crypto.com, BitGet, Gate.io, even the dexes like Uniswap, volume is down. See what the community is saying, man. Somebody, let me see, check out what somebody said here. He is a bit bearish person. KH4, this reminds me of bungee jumping, but I forgot my cord, so I hit rock bottom. Yeah, man, the price action isn't that great. Willem minus 20% incoming, and then somebody replies Z22 followed by 40% spike increase. Milady Maker, somebody pointing out from Rico, excuse me, Rico is pointing out the price of one of the top Milady NFTs. Right now, the Milady NFTs are costing around $340,000. That's one of the top one. What I showed you guys is the floor price, right? This is the floor price. If we go like the highest, high to low, and you're gonna get some crazy digits here, like 300 ETH, 3,000 ETH, 300 ETH, right? Yeah, guys, the Milady NFTs are definitely gaining in popularity, and I wouldn't be surprised if the ladies project, Milady's meme coin, right, gets some of that hype or exposure as well. KTX, so what happened, Mr. Shiba? I still don't regret selling. That pump was proof it's a scam. If it's Red Rock Capital, if it's a scam, why are you still here? KTX to warn others. And this is why I say, guys, this is why I say you got to be level-headed with your investing. Obviously, the project is a meme coin, and this is why you don't invest more than you're willing to lose. But you just never know what the future could hold. Just like how the project was on Etherscan. Like, let's pull up the Dex Tools chart. Actually, the project was on Etherscan, basically launched, wasn't doing much, and then all of a sudden, like, that Elon tweet absolutely made it go parabolic, right? That's why I say in the space you just never know what could happen. So this is why when you're getting into a project, yeah, somewhere back here, right, it was basically, I wish I could get into this chart a lot closer here, but it basically launched, right? It came down, it was just flat for like a day or two. Then the Elon tweet happened and it absolutely exploded, right? And then all of a sudden it's been sideways, right? Not saying much, but this is the thing. That's why I say, if you're gonna buy into ladies, don't bet the bank on it. Maybe just toss her like some moon bag money, right? Just be like, okay, let me just take a bet on it, $200-300, see what happens in the future, but never an amount you're investing that, you know, will like hurt you, or you can't pay rent or your mortgage, or you know, put you in debt, right? This is how you got to treat these meme coins, guys. Can't overinvest into them. From Win212 is, I'm bullish on ladies. Just bought a little of the ladies. See, so like Win is saying here, he didn't put it like he didn't buy the bank on it, right? He just invested a little into the project. You just never know what can happen in the future. Again, it's still listed on tier ones like KuCoin and Crypto.com. You never know what could happen, man. Like, out of nowhere, it could just, you know, going into the bull cycle, it could just pop up 10, 50, 100x. Everybody like, whoa, I thought this project was dead. What happened? Like, there's a Shiba Inu, let me see if I could find it. There's a Shiba Inu chart. I probably won't be able to find it. I don't know exactly what to look for, but there's like there was this image where it's similar to this, right? It was an image where at one point people had, like, when Shiba first launched, they invested like $1,500, you know, some amounts like that, and eventually going into like the end of this 2020, their $500, $1,000 went all the way down to $2, $3, and then all of a sudden going into 2021, that $2-3 exploded all the way to like millions, right? That's what happened. I want to find the exact image. I probably won't be able to find it, but the same thing could happen here for ladies, in my opinion. The same thing could happen here. You toss some money in, you just a little, right? Nothing to break the bank. Then all of a sudden, you don't care about the price action. You're not too worried about it, and not too worried about the price action. And then out of nowhere, just a huge explosion in price could potentially happen, or you take the risk, and obviously your money could go to zero, guys. So keep that in mind. Crypto Runner, I'm bullish on ladies. R3D, I'm bullish on ladies. 7XV, we're still in a bear market. Ladies is performing absolutely well. I can't imagine how it will grow in a bull market, keep accumulating every dip. And again, that's a nice point to have, man. That's a very good point. It's still holding up pretty well, right? It's holding a certain level, and it's, like I said, it's been going sideways since. A lot of the other meme coins are doing the same thing, and who knows, when we get another meme coin season, a lot of the meme coins that we think are dead or not saying much could make a huge comeback, right? Again, with the potential of the Milady NFTs growing, average people can't buy, let's be honest, an average person can't even buy the floor price of a Milady NFT unless they're breaking the bank, right? Average person can't buy the floor price of this. So getting exposure to projects that have similar similarities or kind of like connections to it, to get some type of exposure to the Milady ecosystem could be a good play, man, in my opinion. And we'll see how it plays out, though. We'll see, man. Again, that's why I said, guys, it's a meme coin. I don't want y'all to get wrecked, so don't overinvest, man. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project, right? But I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Like I said, again, the bull market is gonna be insane. When people get onto crypto.com, for example, there's a bunch of new users. They see the Milady meme coin project. They're like, can this hit a cent? Can this hit 0.001? Can it? You never know, right? Never saw a bull market. So when the bull market comes around, it has much better price discovery. You just never know what could happen, guys. So we'll keep an eye on it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Miladies and myself is in the description. Share the video with your friends and family, guys. Let's blow this up and take over. Thank y'all again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.